what's up? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit from Bandai which came from the anime series Armored Trooper VOTOMS, which was aired by Sunrise on April 1, 1983. So this is already a 41-year-old model or anime, and I'm very lucky to find this model kit because nowadays this is already rare. And this is none other than the Bandai SCOPEDOG Red Shoulder Custom. So nowadays I cannot find kits like this. Most of the companies that release these kits are the Wave and Modoroid, and also Bandai, but the smaller version of this, the high grade. But this scale is a 1/20 scale, so it's a bit large. Same like Master Grade Gundams, and I'm very happy to find this from Shopee Ph, Shopee Philippines, and the seller was from Malaysia. And I bought this for 4,100 pesos. And let's check this kit out and let's build this SCOPEDOG Red Shoulder Custom from Armored Trooper VOTOMS. So the box art here shows the red shoulder VOTOMS here, Red Shoulder SCOPEDOG. So you can see here the title. This is the Armored Trooper VOTOMS, and there it is, the SCOPEDOG with the red shoulder or red painted shoulder armor here. So I think in the anime, since I didn't watch any single episode of this, this is a faction from that anime series. I think they are the Special Forces or Elite Forces, the one with the red shoulder, red painted shoulder armor for this kind of mecha suit. And there it is. We can see SCOPEDOG 1/20 scale model. And it's released by Bandai from 2007. So the box here is about the size of a master grade Gundam box. So the side of the box we can see the accessories here. There's this missile launchers, and we can see some missile heads there, red missile heads. There are guns or missile launchers in the waist. There's this Gatling gun on the left side of the waist, and there's this machine gun here. There's the magazine, and there's the hand of the kit. The pilot is there. So there's a big pilot figure here which can ride in the center of the kit. There are two action figures here for the main pilot. To be honest, I don't know who's this main pilot. I forgot. I only searched this anime about a month ago, and I'm not interested, to be honest, but I just like the design of their kit. There's this mechanic there from that scaffold, and we can see some wrenches here. I think we can use some mini wrench here, plastic wrench. So the other side of the box, we can see the front view of the VOTOMS or the SCOPEDOG. So we can see someone standing in this ladder, and there's this pilot there, and the rear view of the kit. So it's a really militaristic looking kit here, and there's this gun posing SCOPEDOG here, and the actual finished product without the paint for this model. So if we open the box here, we can see an instruction manual, and the instruction manual here is having the same picture from the box art, and there we can see some diorama of the kit, front view and rear view from the anime and the usual Bandai style of printing instruction manual. There's this parts list here. There are too much parts as I observed, and yep, there's how we can build the kit. And there are no other features here except for the color or the decals assignment, and some color correcting or color guide if you want to paint it by yourself. So there you can see some gimmicks, same like what we can see in the box art in the side of the box. And there are the variation. These are the variation of the red shoulder VOTOMS here, or scope dogs. So we go now to the packs of the kit. You can see some militaristic green colored runners here, multicolored runners. There's this gray runner, clear pieces here. We can see some decal sheets here, and yep, this head of the pilot figure. So we have a big head here, and there's this militaristic armor plating for this kit. So it's a army green color. You can see some big chunky pieces here for the head and chest pieces. There's this bolt if you want to use the mini wrench gimmick. So it's in color green. There's this gray parts here for the guns, and brown pieces here for the cockpit chair. There's this orange pieces here for the pilot figure, and this action figure for the pilot. There are white parts here for the ladder. So there's the ladder here for the diorama. I don't know if I will use this shit because I don't want to display this with this diorama. It's like if you want to make a realistic diorama or views for your kit, you can use this, but for me I will not. I will let my kit join the other kits. And there we have this armor pieces here for the armor parts. So these are military green color. We have here small pieces for the hands. So the hands here is articulated, very nice, and I like articulated hand for model kits. And we have here light green, or this is for the leg parts. We have here gray parts for the missile launchers, and we have here another action figure for I don't know, this is a girl or something like that. And there's this armor pieces, green armor pieces. We have here gray parts for the guns, and gray parts also for the inner frame. And finally we have here what's this? It's like a metal rod. There's a metal rod here in the center, and we have yep, this gray pieces for the inner frames. So as always, before we build the kit, let's have a quick runner review here first, and let me start with this decals first. So we have here decals for the kit. So this is very nice. Decals are very militaristic. We have here stickers, jewel stickers for the lenses of the scope dog. We have here foil sticker, red and green here for the gun, I think. And we have here small metal rod here for the armor pieces, I think. So we go to the chunky parts here. We have here militaristic green or army green colored runners here with gray small parts with the head of the pilot, and yep, this is runner A, I think. Yes, this is runner A, and another army green color here for the runner B1. So this is for the chest piece and the head piece of the kit. We have here army green color runner, which is runner D, and we have here light green color parts here for the runner F. So these are armor pieces. We have here polycaps, big polycaps. We have missile launcher parts here. So this is runner R. We have gray parts here for the inner frame. So this is runner H. We have here runner K for the gun, for the rifle. We have here gray ABS plastic for runner G. So this is very hard plastic here, ABS type. We have here brown runner for runner M. So this is for the pilot cockpit parts. We have here silver pieces for the guns. So this is runner J. We have here runner Q for gun pieces or gun parts. We have here manipulator parts here for runner E. We have the visor piece here, runner I. We have here the wrench, plastic wrench, and the bolts if you want to. I think this is optional, but if you want to apply all these bolts, to be honest, this is very tedious to put. If you will get my opinion, this is very tedious to put. And we have here the, as the name itself, red shoulder. So we have here the red shoulder part. So this is the name or the distinction for the kit. So this red color and the red missile heads there, and some I don't know what's this for the clip. We have here orange part for the action figures of the pilot, and these are for the pilot mainly. So there's this gun, the arms, big pilot figure. We have here parts for, I think this one for the missiles, and this is for the scaffold or the ladder if you want to display the kit with a diorama setting or setup. We have here gray parts for I think this is for the mechanism of the kit. So this is runner L. We have flesh colored runner here for the action figure again, another action figure. And finally we have armor parts here for military green or army green color runners, runner C. So I hope you will wait for the review. If I finish this, I will have a review for this kit. And thank you so much for watching my unboxing, and let's have a meaningful Holy Week today or this week. While we are in the Holy Week, we'll finish this kit, and see you next time. Goodbye guys, God bless, take care.